Is this $25 bourbon really just the same as this $15 bourbon?
I'm a complete beginner looking to improve my palate and learn more about bourbon, so come along with me.
All right. As part of my palate improvement project, I've been drinking this 2 stars, and it's a Sazerac brand. It's 86 proof bourbon, and I got this on the recommendation of someone at a major liquor store. And when I opened it and started drinking it, it really reminded me of something. And I know my palate's not the best, and I'm still trying to improve it, but when I started drinking this, I thought, I know the bottle looks the same. I know the proof is the same, but it tastes amazingly like very old Barton. So the 2 stars, I know these are both Sazerac brands, and this one is bottled in Clear Springs Bottling Company in Louisville. And this one is bottled at the Barton Distillery in Frankfurt, or at least they say they are, or at least the label says that, but they remind me a lot of each other. So let's go ahead and taste both of them at the same time and just see if they taste the same. All right, I've got a pour of each, and this is the 2 stars, and this is what I've been drinking. So I'll go ahead and give it a sniff. Yeah. Yeah, it smells, like bourbon. And the real Barton, they do smell the same. The caramel and the little bit of vanilla. But the taste that I really was getting from the very old Barton before was a taste of pears, and that's kind of the taste that I got in this 2 stars. So let me go ahead and taste the 2 stars, and I'll taste the very old Barton. Yeah, just kind of like pears and maybe a little honey. And that tastes identical. At least to me, the taste is just identical. Has the same mouthfeel. And the same finish. So what do you think? Is this the same? This guy right here was about $25. This guy right here was under 15. If I was gonna buy another one, which I probably will, I really do like very old Barton, and I like the bottle and bond version too. This is good, but it's not worth twice as much as this one, especially since to me they taste the same. They taste exactly the same. So I guess when you're tasting bourbons, don't always go to the most expensive bourbon. Do some research, especially if you can taste them in the store. You might save yourself some money. All right, so let's go ahead and improve our palates. All right, over the last week, I've been drinking 2 stars, which we just determined, at least for me, tastes just like very old Barton, which has kind of a taste of honey and pears. It's 86 proof. It's pretty good. It's not bad. So I'll go ahead and just do another tasting of it, just to be fair. It's a good bourbon. Put a little bit over ice. Yep. Just still has that pears taste to me. All right. So I've been drinking that over the course of the week. So now I'm going to try a new bourbon, at least new to me. And they say this is kind of the king of the inexpensive bottle and bond. It's the Evan Williams bottle and bond. So it's a 4-year old, 100 proof. And this guy's under $15. So it's a heck of a bargain. And you can get a handle of this guy for about $21. I might go do that because everybody says it's a really good mixer and a good sipper, and probably the best bottled and bond bargain that's around. So let's go ahead and try it because I do like Evan Williams Black. I've drank a lot of Evan Williams Black, so but I've never had the bottled and bond. So let's give him a try. Smells pretty sweet. Let's give it a taste. I think I'm tasting the corn. I think I'm tasting the corn. It's a little bit of a bite, but not bad. It's for a 100 proof. It's actually pretty smooth. I'm not really sure what I'm tasting though, other than the corn. So let's try them over ice. Maybe a little cinnamon. Because I really kind of feel it still on my tongue. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm tasting there. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And really pretty smooth. But I do like the Evan Williams Black. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink this for the rest of the week, or for over the course of the next week, and then come back next week, and we'll do another tasting, and see if my palate's changed, if I'm tasting anything different. So if you'd like to do this with me to improve your palate, it doesn't have to be the bourbon I select, but this would be a good one to start with, that's for sure. Because a bottle and bond, it's for less than $15, just really not bad at all. So go ahead and drink, taste it, then drink it over the course of a week, and come back and do another tasting, and just see if your palate's changed, if you're tasting other flavors, if anything else is opening up to you, and in the meantime, drink responsibly and enjoy.